guys, welcome to my vlog, and now we're currently here at Fast Cats Roro and we're on our way to Oriental Mindoro. So come with me on my journey. Hi guys, so for today's vlog, it's gonna be about travel again, and I'm thankful because I got the chance to be invited by Fast Cats Ferry going to Oriental Mindoro, which they hosted a very unforgettable vloggers event that brought together some of the talented vloggers and content creators. So let's go, keep on watching and come with me. And finally, we've arrived here at the Batangas port, and this is where we're going to ride the ferry or the Fast Cats Roro. Okay lang maiwan yung basura. So as you can see, they have the snack bar inside the ferry where you can get some food and drinks while on trip. And this is how their premium economy looks like. As you can see, maluwag siya. There's a lot of seat and the aisle is kind of big enough for the passengers to walk through. And for their business class, this is how it looks inside. So let's come and see. So for their business class, it's fully air conditioned with LCD TV and it can accommodate up to 21 to 63 passengers. And they also have comfort room that's only exclusive for the business class passengers. So as you can see, we're also here with the other content creators or vloggers, and ayan sila. And medyo madami kami. And before we set off, they gave these Fast Cats merchandises at tingnan natin kung ano nasa loob nito. So the first one is this envelope which has some documents and their company profile. It also has a black cap with the Fast Cats logo, a white t-shirt, and a mug. And they also give us a lot of free snacks and drinks. So ayan, dami niya kinukuha, diba? Ganyan lang siya eh.
Slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist and adjust at the front.
So thank you so much for your time and for your presence to be here with us. Actually, this is for my 8 years with Pascal, this is my first time to handle vloggers, influencers event. So thank you so much for your participation. We really appreciate it kasi we really tried na to do it on our own. We didn't try to do or to tap agent allow us to leave yung port. So they are going to check yung manifest. But of course, it's just, baka explain niya mamaya, ako na magsasabi. It's just here for us for 10 days. Kasi luckily, good weather, hindi pa maalon kahit nandun. Usually kapag maalon, nandun pa lang sa port.
Exciting nga ito.
Ganun na talaga yung gumagulong. So this is Cap Pinay po, who will welcome you and introduce you to our Pascat.
Welcome aboard to Pascat M19, all vloggers. Thank you.
Morning, sir. Morning po.
Pascat po ay all monitored by CCTV. Ito naman po yung mga, meron po kasi kaming mga alarm panel para po yung kung malaman kung may butas na ang barko o wala pa. Noon po yung, kung dun sa sasakyan po, yung ating tachometer po ang tawag dito sa barko. Yung makikita po natin kung ilan na yung binibigay natin na RPM o
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile at the camera. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. One more pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay lang ba? Go. Kunwari ano nga.
Nakulangan pa po.
Tatlo nakaka...
Hello po.
Wala.
Pag sinama ko yun.
And this is their economy seats. So nandito siya sa taas ng ferry. It's an open area and it can accommodate up to 188 passengers. Pascat also offers seats for PWD or persons with disabilities. And this is how it looks inside. As you can see, there's only 2 seats on the right side because on the left side, it can be used for people with wheelchairs. And we've finally arrived at the Calapan port here in Mindoro.
So our first stop is the Infinity Park.
At ito na siya ngayon. Matalino na.
guys. May aso lang kami, hindi nangagat.
Parang ikaw yun eh.
Makita?
Oh, shiny! Ah, Toby! Yeah! Tampi! Di ko abot yan! Balik ka ko abot! Kunin mo na yung gamit!
Turno na turno kayo.
And now we're heading to our last stop, the Oriental Mindoro Heritage Museum. By the way guys, we were instructed that it's not allowed to take videos from the inside, so I'm just going to take videos from the outside. The museum has a classic and modern designs. Its features are inspired by the Mahal Tana theme, which highlights the iconic symbols of Oriental Mindoro, Mangyan, Halcon, Tamarao, and Nauhan Lake.
And that would be all, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this trip with FastCat going to Mindoro. See you again soon and the next trip. Please subscribe for more travel videos.